Hello students, today we are going to study the human excretory system. As all of you know that due to various metabolic activities in a living organism, various waste and harmful substances are produced, and these harmful substances, if accumulated, it can be poisonous to our body, it can be harmful to our body. So that means these substances, these waste should be removed from our body. Okay, so we have already studied that undigested food, these are also waste, and through the process of defecation these are released from our body, and the system which are involved, that is the digestive system that we have studied in the digestion. Okay, and carbon dioxide which is released during exhalation, that is also removed from our body. The system which is involved is the respiratory system, already we have studied. And extra water, excess water, salts, some nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, uric acid, okay, some pigments also, okay, these compose urine which is also expelled out of our body. That process is our excretion, and so the system which is involved in this process is the excretory system. So let's see what excretion is. So excretion is the process of expelling of nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, uric acid along with excess water. Okay, excess water need to be removed from our body because excess water can dilute our body fluid. Okay, so that means that extra water need to be removed from our body. With excess water, some salts also, some pigments also removed from our body. Okay, and that process is known as excretion. We will study the excretory system in human being. The main excretory organs which are involved is the kidney, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Kidneys are the primary excretory organ, okay, and there is one pair, that means two kidneys are present in our body which are reddish brown in color, and this shape is bean shape, okay, and in size they are 5 inches long. And if we'll consider the weight of each kidney, then that is 120 to 170 grams in case of male and 120 to 140 grams in case of female. Okay, and a location of the kidneys are, it is present in the upper part of the abdomen, one on either side of the backbone. Okay, in either side of the backbone each kidney is present. And let's draw the structure of kidney. So two bean shaped kidneys are present. Okay, let's draw it like this. You can see this is our left kidney. This is the left kidney. And this one is the right kidney. You can see position of these two kidneys are not symmetrical. This is asymmetrical. You can see the left kidney is slightly upward and the right kidney is slightly downward. The right kidney is pushed downward by the liver. That is why these are asymmetrical in the position. Right kidney is pushed downward by the liver. Okay. You can see the concavity in each kidney. The concave surface in each kidney. That concavity is known as the hilum. So this concavity is known as hilum. Internally, each kidney has large number of filtration units called nephrons. Okay, and nephrons are the functional unit of kidney which are mainly responsible for the filtration. Okay, those are the filtrating units which are present in the kidney. From the kidney, that is from the hilum portion, thin-walled, narrow tubular-like structures arises and they run downward, okay, from two kidneys. Running downward, okay, and these tubular structures are known as ureter, and this is of course the left ureter, okay, and the ureters join at a sac or bag like structure, a muscular bag like structure, which is known as the urinary bladder. Okay, the ureters opens into the urinary bladder, and these two ureters have an angular opening into the urinary bladder. Due to this angular opening, the urine cannot backflow into the ureter again due to the angular position, or we can say entry into the urinary bladder. So this one is our urinary bladder. So in the urinary bladder, urine is stored temporarily. It is a muscular and elastic structure, okay, and until the urine will remain in the urinary bladder or stored in the urinary bladder, okay, until a high pressure is created and it leads to urge to pass out of the urethra. Okay. So now from the urinary bladder, the urine comes out of the body through this tubular structure, and this tubular structure is known as our urethra. Okay, and the opening is called urinary opening. To the each kidney, arteries and veins, blood vessels are also connected, okay. So let's draw the renal artery and renal vein. Suppose this is the renal vein, and we will draw the renal artery as well. Let's level it. Renal artery, renal vein. Okay, so now this is the structure of your excretory system or urinary system of human excretory system. In the next video, we will go for the working or the function of nephron, how it works and how urine is formed. Thank you everyone.